Where is the best place to add this sentence? That's just part of Lincoln Center's Restart Stages, a program aimed to kickstart the arts and revive New York City. When looking for the best location to place a new sentence, we need to take into account not only which sentence precedes it, but also which sentence follows it, and see which choice gives us the most cohesive narrative. The given sentence seems to sum up a description or list of some of what Lincoln Center's Restart Stages program offers, so it would make sense for this sentence to follow a list of that nature. With this in mind, let's try plugging our given sentence into our choices and see how they sound. A, following sentence 6. Musical performances, a giant outdoor reading room with regular author readings, an outdoor cabaret stage on Hearst Plaza with shows happening day and night. Based on what we've just established, this seems to be exactly what we're looking for, a list of things that the Lincoln Center offers as part of their program. And we see that this is indeed offered by the Lincoln Center, as sentence 9 tells us. This seems to be a strong contender for our final answer, but we'll take a look at our other choices just to be sure. B, following sentence 8. Most of the shows will be free on a first-come, first-served basis. It wouldn't make sense to place our given sentence here, as sentence 8 didn't describe any part of the program offered by Lincoln Center, which, again, our sentence summarizes. This can be marked as incorrect. C, following sentence 10. Henry Timms, president and CEO of Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts, told CNN that staff quickly discovered various ways to use the 16 acres of space the center has outside, and they worked with different institutions throughout the city to also be of service when they can. Although describing how the staff utilized the outside area of the city might technically be considered part of the program by describing the work done behind the scenes, when keeping in mind that the question is asking for the best place for this sentence, we can see that choice A is a much stronger contender as it actually lists acts of the program. Based on this, we can mark this choice as incorrect. And D, following sentence 11. We are all feeling very much like we want to do our part in that recovery. Similar to choice B, it just doesn't make sense to place our given sentence here, as sentence 11 doesn't outline any of the aspects of the Lincoln Center program. Based on this choice can be marked as incorrect, and our original answer, choice A, can be marked as our final answer.